The structure of the neuron, I'm going to draw a diagram and you will have an idea of what a neuron is and how does it look. It's just a recap. So this is the cell body, which we also call soma. That's the nucleus, and then this cell body has specialized fiber-like structures at the cell body which are responsible for the reception of the action potential or the neural messages. So these are called dendrites. And then this neck-like structure which connects the cell body with this axon is called hillock or axon hillock, right? And then the axon is the lengthiest part of the neuron which ends up at some specific terminal like structures. Which are responsible to make a connection between two neurons or a neuron and a receptor or sort of those things. So these are called axonic terminals, right? And we know that most of the time the axon is wrapped into a specified sheet for the insulation of the neuron, so that the message does not get lost on its way and it does not get transmitted to the other irrelevant neurons or nerves. So this type of the sheet covering, what we call that is myelin sheath, and these gaps in between the sheaths are called nodes of Renier. Alright, so that was the basic structure of a neuron, and to discuss the action potential, we should know that the neuron cell membrane is naturally negatively charged from the outside. Neuron in general is negatively charged.